Welcome back. Pretty rainy out today. I don't want to make a little quick video on this Gs450h after putting in the battery. The windows automatically roll down. Resetting the windows is a So after you replace the battery, the windows don't go down. They don't work anymore. And the way you reset those, I already reset this one. It's pretty simple. What you gotta do is go to each window and roll it down manually, all the way down, and then roll it back up. Or then it should work with the auto. Let's see here. Still not working. Try it one more time. There it goes. And back up. That one's been reset. Check it over here. That's good to go. Back one. Gonna do the same thing. Reach over. Roll it down. And then roll it back up. Roll it down again. There we go. And it's working again. And one more window in the back. Push and hold it down. And hold it, bringing it back up. One more time. Then check it. Works fine. There we go. Alright, that's all I have for you guys today. Here's some videos from yesterday. Shrine. Beautiful day out. Mountains got snow on top of them. People are taking pictures.